Yoga is an excellent practice for stress relief and relaxation. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques to promote a sense of calmness and well-being. Here are some yoga practices specifically beneficial for stress relief and relaxation. Bridge pose, also known as Setu Bandhasana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press your feet into the ground, lift your hips, and interlace your hands under your body. This pose opens the chest, releases tension in the spine, and energizes the body while promoting a sense of calm. Seated meditation, also known as Sukhasana. Sit cross-legged on the floor or on a cushion with a tall spine. Rest your hands on your knees or in a mudra of your choice. Close your eyes and focus on your breath or a mantra. This simple seated position promotes mindfulness, relaxation, and mental clarity. Pigeon Pose, also known as Eka Pada Rajakapotasana. Begin in a high plank position. Bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Slide your left leg back, straightening it behind you. Square your hips to the front and fold forward over your right leg. You can stay upright or walk your hands forward, resting your forehead on the mat or a prop. Pigeon pose deeply stretches the hips and glutes, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. Extended triangle pose, also known as Utthita Trikonasana. Stand with your legs wide apart and turn your right foot out 90 degrees. Reach your right hand toward your right foot and extend your left arm straight up. This pose stretches the entire body, improves digestion, and helps to alleviate stress and anxiety. Camel pose, also known as Ustrasana. Kneel on the mat with your knees hip-width apart. Place your hands on your lower back and gently arch backward, opening your chest and lifting your heart towards the ceiling. If comfortable, reach your hands towards your heels and maintain the pose, breathing deeply. Camel pose stretches the front of the body, opens the chest, and helps release tension in the shoulders and back. Child's pose, also known as Balasana. Kneel on the floor, sit on your heels, and lower your torso between your thighs. Extend your arms forward or rest them alongside your body. This pose helps to calm the mind and relieve stress by promoting deep relaxation and introspection. Supported fish pose, also known as Matsyasana. Kneel on the mat with your knees together and feet slightly wider than hip-width apart. Lower your buttocks between your feet and recline onto your back. Rest your arms alongside your body or place them on your belly or chest. This pose stretches the thighs, opens the chest, and induces a state of calm and relaxation. Eagle pose, also known as Garudasana. Stand tall and cross your right thigh over your left thigh, hooking your right foot behind your left calf if possible. Extend your arms forward and cross your left arm over your right, bending at the elbows. This pose improves concentration, calms the mind, and releases tension in the shoulders and upper back. Cat-cow pose, also known as Marjaryasana and Bitilasana. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your tailbone and gaze, cow pose, and exhale as you round your spine, tucking your tailbone and dropping your head, cat pose. This sequence releases tension in the spine and massages the digestive organs, promoting a sense of ease and calm. Seated spinal twist, also known as Ardha Matsyendrasana. Sit on the floor with your legs extended, bend your right knee, and place your right foot outside your left thigh. Twist your torso to the right, placing your left elbow outside your right knee. This pose helps to release tension in the spine, stimulates digestion, and promotes a sense of calm. Supported fish pose, also known as Matsyasana. Lie on your back with a bolster or folded blanket supporting your upper back and head. Extend your legs straight or keep them bent. This pose stretches the chest and shoulders, stimulates deep breathing, and helps release tension in the neck and upper back. Standing forward fold, also known as Utthita. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and fold forward from the hips. Allow your upper body to hang and reach towards the floor. This pose releases tension in the back, hamstrings, and neck, while also calming the mind. Corpse pose, also known as Savasana. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides and palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow your body to completely relax. Savasana is a powerful pose for deep relaxation and stress reduction, allowing the body and mind to enter a state of tranquility. Please subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button to show your support. Don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.